Hey loves, thanks for tuning in. It is your girl, Melissa Danielle. If you don't know, I did change my name. I'm not going by Black China Bear anymore. I am now Melissa Danielle. And I'm going to be changing you guys' names. Like, I know I call you guys Cubbies. I'm going to be changing that so that it's more appropriate to go along with my name. Because if you're new to my channel, you're like, why is she calling me a Cubby? So I'm going to be changing that. I have a couple ideas because I got some suggestions from you guys. So we're going to see how that goes. But yeah. Anyways, and I'm wearing glasses right now. So I'm sorry if you're getting this horrible glare from my ring light. It's like midnight and I'm filming right now. So, cool points for that. I have a haul from Lovely Wholesale. You guys know I've worked with them several times. And it's so fun shopping on the website because they have like some cool, trendy, unique, cute pieces, and their prices are very, very affordable. However, sizing can be sort of iffy, so that's why I'm here to be the test doll. So if you're new to my channel, click down below. It's like right here, right here, right here, right here. Somewhere around this video will be a subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so that way you get notified whenever I put up a new video. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. Okay, so we're going to get into this. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this shirt, which, I mean, come on you guys. Absolute freaking perfection. So it says Alexa Reset 2020 because this year is an absolute mess, failure, so much crap going on. I'm over it. So I got this shirt. This is the Lovely Leisure O-neck leather print black plus size t-shirt. It is $10.99. It comes in a like red maroon color. And what size did I order? I got a XXXXL. So I got a 4XL. I wear a size 2X here in the States. And I'm 5'9", so that way you guys know. So I got this in the XXXXL. I have it tied up in the back. So like, I have like this little tie right here and make it a little bit tighter. But it fits great. Like, I think it fits like a 2X would fit. Like, it's not too oversized. It's not tight. It's very, very comfortable. I thought it would be like a cotton material, but it's not. It's more like a polyester material. And then it has like this screen print lettering on here. I love this shirt for what it says. I do wish the material was cotton though, because it's more breathable in the summertime. But we're going to make it work. Guys, they gave me a discount code for you guys. Let me get that information. It is BEAR10. Which is in reference to my old name, but it's BEAR10, so BEAR10, and you'll save 10% off your purchase with that coupon code. Okay, so we're going to get into these shorts. Let me zoom my camera down so you guys can see these shorts because they're cray. So these shorts are called Lovely Casual Tassel Design Rose Red Plus Size Denim Shorts. And right now they're on sale. I don't know if it's still going to be on sale when I put this video up. But right now they're $9.99. And it says regular price is $24.98. I don't know how accurate that is, but right now they're $10. And they come in blue, yellow, black. It looks like it's black. And this color right here. So I got these in a 3XL. So they're just some tasseled shorts. They're very, very short. Like, I know me. I'm not going to keep these shorts because I can't go outside wearing something like this. But I wanted to just get them and see what they fit like because I've never really ordered any kind of denim shorts from this website. So I wanted to see. They're very, very stretchy, very, very comfortable, you guys. Like, oh my god. They're very, very stretchy, you guys. Like, very, very stretchy. They're so comfortable. It's like that soft denim. They have pockets in the front and then pockets in the back as well. They button and zip. Like, just standard shorts, but they have a lot of tasseling detail in here. I probably would go through and get rid of any, like, stringy stuff like that. Like, I wouldn't keep that on my shorts. But, other than that, they look like the picture. So it's a lot of detail on here. So guys, this outfit, I ordered it way too big. I know you can't really see my face right now. I'm trying to show you guys the outfit first. I was so excited about getting this swimsuit. It comes in this color. It comes in a lime green color. I also ordered that one, which I was scared about because I think I might have ordered the wrong size. I can't remember what size I ordered in that one, but this one, I ordered in a 5XL. I don't know if I was scared to trust the measurements. But baby, it's way too big. Like, look at all this. This skirt. This skirt is out here. So yeah, I definitely ordered the wrong size, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like because it's still freaking cute. I'm going to turn my camera like sideways so you guys can get a full picture. So this is called the Lovely Casual See-Through Rose Red Plus Size 2-piece skirt set. It goes from extra large to a 5XL. It's $15.99. It's on sale right now on the site. It says normal price is $26.65. Hopefully I can show you guys. But it comes in a lot of different colors. It's green, blue, like orange, and then the pink. Okay guys, I'm bugging out. I'm looking at this online, and this is being sold as a skirt set. It's not a swimsuit apparently, even though it looks like it should be. But yeah, I would definitely not walk around in the streets wearing this outfit. But if I was going to the beach, something else completely different. So I guess it's up to you. When I saw the swimsuit, I said it's way too big. I'm not gonna be able to keep that. But now I'm like, man, I can keep the skirt. But the skirt is definitely just too big. And I'll probably just, maybe I'll keep it and pin it. I don't know. I'll probably just get rid of it. So we have a really bomb swimsuit cover up. It's elastic waistband. This one is like, it's not swimsuit material necessarily. It reminds me of like a polyester tank top. Like if this gets wet, it's probably going to be see-through. Like you might want to wear something underneath it. Like it's really thin material. Like you guys can see it. It just reminds me of like a tank top. But you can really, really see through that. So I don't know. But this is what this one looks like. So this dress is called Lovely Casual Spaghetti Strap Print Ankle Length A-Line Plus Size Dress. Okay, so it's on sale for $10.49. It's regularly $17. And then it goes up to, looks like a 5XL. And then I have a size 3XL. Size-wise, it fits amazing. To me, it fits like a 2X would fit. So I think the size is perfect. It's a stretchy, like polyester material. And it has like a little bit of slip to it. It's very, very stretchy. There's like, everything stretches. You guys know I love, love, love tie-dye. For some reason, though, this dress is just not hitting it for me. I don't know why. I think it's the yellow is throwing me off. I don't know. But for some reason, I'm just like, I'm not in love with it. I think it's very, very cute. I just don't like it on me. It's like the weirdest thing. It has adjustable straps on there. It's cute. I just, for some reason, I'm not vibing with it like I normally am. Like, normally I'm like, oh my god, that's so cute. I love tie-dye. But like this one, I'm just like, it's cute. I know, it's probably just me. It's probably just me, you guys. But this is the dress. Let's go to the next one. This is called the Lovely Casual Cartoon Print Multicolor Mini Plus Size Dress. I have the size 3XL. And this is $10.49 right now. It's normally $16.92. So, yeah. And they have different kinds of cartoon dresses, you guys. Like, bomb cartoon dresses and two-piece, like, shorts and tops. Yeah. Anyways, I ordered the size 3XL. When I ordered this, you guys, I was so nervous because when I read the measurements, I'm like, that thing is going to be short. It's going to be tight. And I was right on both things. It's definitely short. It's a mini dress, so it's going to be short. And it is tight. Like, I knew it was going to be tight, but baby, she is just, like, snatched to my body. Like, she's a second skin on my body. I don't know. It's still cute. Like, you know, you can wear it like this. You can wear it like a hoodie or like a denim jacket. That'd be really freaking cute for the fall. I'm sorry. But you can wear it with a jacket. You can just wear it like, you know, however you want to wear it. But I love this dress. I love the cartoon characters. You guys know I am a huge Rugrats fan. I love everything Rugrats. So when I saw this, I had to have it. I ordered the two-piece set as well. Like, it's like a short and shirt combo. So I can't wait for it to get here. But this is so cute. So freaking adorable. It's stretchy. It's comfortable. It feels like cotton. I don't think it's cotton, but it feels more in the cotton family than some of the other pieces I've tried on today. But, oh god, she's cute. Okay, I have one last thing I want to try on for you guys, so let me go change. I'll be right back. Right now I'm wearing the Lovely Casual Print Black Plus Size two-piece short set. This is $13.49. It comes in red, pink, and black. And the sizing is from a size large to a size 4XL. So I ordered this in a size 3XL, and it's not fitting. If you look at the model, it fits her oversized. No, it's not fitting me that way. So I ordered a size 3XL. I should have went up another. Actually, I probably should have went up 2 more sizes, I think, to get the oversized fit. Because this is like fitting me like it's like a second skin. To me, this feels like a 1X. Because if it was a little bit bigger, it would be more comfortable, but it wouldn't be oversized. So I say it probably fits like a 1X, maybe. Yeah, like a 1X. This material is like that polyester rayon material. I wish it was more of a cotton blend. It has a little zipper here. It's really cute. The pants are really stretchy and comfortable. It has like this little screen print thing on there. It's really a cute outfit. It's just, I'm really excited about it too. That's why I saved it for last. But it's just not the right size. And this thing is tight. Boo-boo. She's tight. This is the last outfit for this video. How are you guys feeling about the name change? I personally love it. I was nervous about it. It still feels sort of weird coming to YouTube and not seeing Black China Bear anymore. But it's also really good and refreshing and reassuring to actually see my name on my channel. So let me know down below what you feel about the name change and all the outfits in this video. And if guys, some of you asked me about my things I don't keep. I don't keep things. It goes on my Poshmark page. It goes on my Mercari page. Everything is linked down below in the description bar right beneath this video. So go check that out as well. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I will catch you in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah.